Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing another project wherein we'll be designing a beauty website covering all the topics which are covered in day 1, 2 and 3, which is majorly including topics like semantic HTML, navigation, anchor links, images, paragraphs, strong lists, tables, forms, radio buttons, checkboxes, select options, labels, ID, name, value, placeholders, submit buttons and so much more. I'm excited to do this project along with all of you all. So let's begin without wasting much time. So doc type HTML. And after that we will have the HTML tag, within which we will have the head tag, within which we will have the title tag, within which I'll be writing Glow and Grace Beauty Studio. After the head tag, we'll be going on to the body tag. In the body tag, first I'll begin with the H1 tag, which is going to be Glow and Grace Beauty Studio. After this, I'll be adding the navigation tag and starting with the anchor tag, a href equals to hashtag. First I'll write say home. I think I'll write home first and then close it. I will write home, then the next a href equals to the next one. I will write services, then here I will write our services and make a next anchor tag href equals to the next one. I will write sorry, price, and then here I will write price list. Okay, I think I'll just write a break tag after all. I think that would make it a little better. After that, I will add another ahref equals to, here I will write tips, and then here I will write beauty tips. You might be thinking why I'm making it so lengthy. It's just so that there's a full coverage of everything. And then ahref equals to, next I will write here appointment, and then here I will write book appointment. So after this, I will write ahref equals to, and I'll just write here special, and then here I'll write special packages, and then I'll add a break tag also. Okay, and then lastly I will add a, I know there's so many links here, usually it won't be there so many, but yeah, whatever. For practice purpose, I'll write here next contact, and then I'll write here contact. Okay, so finally our main, how is it looking, what all things we are going to write in the project. We have made it into a linked list and we have put it here in the, I forgot one thing. I have to write here header before I forgot. This part, this header, I will write it here. So the header part is finished. Now let's go to the main part. So in the main, first one will be section ID equals, first will be home, and let's close this, and then next I'm going to write a h2 heading, and I'll write it as home, and after that I'm going to make a h3 heading, and I'm going to write here Glow and Grace Beauty Studio. After that I'm going to write a paragraph. Quickly I'll write welcome to Glow and Grace Beauty Studio. Your space for beauty, self-care and confidence. All of the content I'm writing here in all my projects are actually given by AI itself. I'm not using my own brain and sentences all of for that, because I'm just going to save time for content and use that energy and time in actually remembering the syntaxes. From everyday grooming to special occasion makeovers, we help you look and feel your best. Okay, so now I'll just add an image. What we have forgotten in the previous projects is we forgot to add an alt text in the image. So that one we will do now. Before that, I'll just add a strong tag. So that you should also let it be done here itself. Yeah, I know it's taking a lot of time. We can be much quicker. Okay. So this is how it's going to look right now. Calculate a smaller afterwards. We will figure it out. And yeah, I have kept some images ready already. So yeah, in this section itself, we'll be adding the image tag, image src equals, and add this, and then an alt text describing what this is, skincare image, and the height is something which I don't like, so I'll reduce a little bit height and keep it as 300. I think that works for me. Okay, so that's one skincare image I have added. The next thing which I would like to do is the next section, which is our services. So section id equals services, and then I make a h2 heading saying services. I write our services, and then I'm going to make a h3 heading saying beauty and self-care services, and after that I'm going to make an unordered list. So the first one will be hairstyling, the next list will be hair spa, the next list will be facial, the next list will be manicure, the next list will be pedicure, the next list will be makeup, the next list will be eyebrow threading, the next list will be nail art. Okay, then after this I will add a small paragraph which is saying our services are designed to give you a relaxing experience while helping you feel confident and refreshed. Okay, so we're done with the second section, which is our services section. After this, we go to the next section, which will be the price list section. So section id equals price, and here I will write, sorry, I will close this. Under this I will write h2 heading price list, and under this I will make a table. So table, then comes t head, under the t head tr, under tr th, here I will write service, under the next th duration, under the next th price. This is the t head part. Now come to the t body part. Under this also tr will come, then td. Here first one is haircut and styling. Next TD, that is 45 minutes. Next TD, that is going to be 500 rupees. Okay, once I'll just show you how it's okay. Okay, once again there's an extra under haircut and sorry. Okay, let's see. Next TR, under that next TD, that will be hair spa. Under that next TD, that will be 60 minutes. Under that next TD, which will be rupees 900. Okay, yeah. Again, next TR, quickly I'll do now. Next TR, under that next TD, under that next TD, here I'll be writing facial. Then next TD, that will be 50 minutes. And then next TD, which will be rupees 700. Then next TR, in that next TD, here I'll be writing manicure. Then next TD, where I'll be writing 40 minutes. Then next TD, where I'll be writing 400 rupees. Okay, then next TR. Okay, next TR, then I'll be writing next TD. Here I'll be writing pedicure. Then next TD, here I'll be writing 45 minutes. Then next TD, I'll be writing 500 rupees. Okay, then coming to the next TR, coming to next TD, here I'll be writing party makeup. Coming to next TD, coming to here 90 minutes. Then next TD, where I'll be writing 2000 rupees. Okay, that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. For now, that's enough. Okay, it looks very nice. I'm happy with how it's okay. You can see the headings are all bolded. That's we use T head. Next, coming to beauty tips. This is for just writing in ordered list practice. This section is over. Next section, ID equals tips. Correct? If I'm not wrong. Yeah. Okay, and then again in this I will write H2 heading. My bad. H2 heading. Here I will write beauty tips. Okay, under this I'm going to make an ordered list. Okay, ordered list, and then list out here. I can also make an H3 list before this, saying no, this will be closed. After this H3 list saying simple beauty and self care tips. Okay, so first list will be stay hydrated throughout the day. After that, the next list will be cleanse your face regularly. Then the next list will be protect your skin from excessive sun exposure. Okay, the next list I'll make is keep your makeup brushes clean. Next list I'll be making is give your skin enough time to rest. The next list is choose products suitable for your suitable suitable for your skin type. Skin type. Okay, so these are the tips. Let's see how much. Yes, very nice. Should be choose. If there's any spelling mistake, or please excuse it. Now comes to the main part, which is the next section. ID equals. I think I've given register. Sorry, appointment. ID is appointment, and Here I'll write the H2 heading saying book an appointment. Then main form. Then I'll start with the label for equals name, and then I'll close this and then I'll write your name, and then input type equals text, ID equals name, name equals name, placeholder equals enter your name. Okay, let's see how's it going. Okay, okay. Then I will add the break statement, then input, sorry, before that label for equals here I'll write email, then I will write here email and colon, then I will write here input for, sorry, input type equals email, ID equals email, name equals email, placeholder equals enter your email. Break. Okay. After this, next one, label for equals, I'll write phone, then I'll write here phone number. Okay. After that, I'll write here input type equals, I can write number also, but I'll write tell. Okay, tell, and then ID equals phone, name equals phone, placeholder equals enter your phone number. Okay, after this I'll close this and then I'll just write a break statement. Okay. Okay, I wrote in out, that's why input, and then this will not come. Okay, yes. Next one, I will insert an age. So label for equals age, and then I will write here age, and then I'll write here input type. Here I'll write number, ID equals age, name equals age, placeholder equals age. Sorry, yeah, I'll write in detail. Enter your age. Okay, I'll close this. I'll add a break statement because I would like to create next line. Again, I wrote in out to be input. Okay. Okay. Place. Okay. Holder spelling mistake happened. Okay. Now it should between tell and number. So if you can see here only numbers will come. Okay. But in age, if I mean in tell, like telephone will come, like all of these. Okay. But in number only like this will come. That's the difference between age, number and tell. Okay. Okay. Now I have to choose a service. So to choose a service, I need that drop down menu. Okay, I can do checklist also, but I'm going to use drop down menu. So label for equals service, and then here I'll write choose your service. Then I'll write input ID. No, I'll write after I select, this is the drop down menu, right? So select ID equals service, name equals service. That's enough. Then here I've write option value equals hair styling. Then here again I have to write here. See, now you will not be able to see hairstyling. You'll not be able to see hairstyling. If I click, you'll not be able to see. Only when I write hairstyling here, you'll be able to see that. Now you'll be able to see that option hairstyling. Got it? Next, option value equals hair spa. I'm going to close it and then I'll write here hair spa. Next, again, option value equals facial. I close that and I write here facial. Then again, next option value equals manicure. I'll write here manicure. Means I'll be able to choose only one service at a time here. Okay, at a time. Next option value equals. Then I could have used it also, but never mind. This works. Pedicure. Then here also I'll write pedicure. Option value equals makeup, and then finally makeup. Okay, now I'll show you this one how it's looking. See, I can choose whatever I want. Okay, whatever I want. Now preferred time. Next I want to choose the radio button. Okay, so we'll go label for equals time, and then I will write here preferred time with colon, and then I'll write here input type equals radio, ID equals time, name equals time, value equals morning. I have to close this. Actually here ID should be different. This thing should be same. Either I can write like that, or here I can write morning. Okay, one this thing, and like this. I'll just tell you what I'm trying to say is, one for the ID should be different, the name should be same. So that's why I'm thinking morning I'll write here. Here only I'll write morning. Then if I write morning here, then don't write morning here. Okay, did you understand? I have to cancel this morning. Here it's not required. Got it? Once again, labeled for morning. ID has to be morning. Here I will write in H3 choose preferred time. I don't know why this break also did not work. This also did not work. I'll just save it first and then I'll refresh it. After choosing service, I have written here choose preferred time. That is also not coming. Nope, it did not come. Okay, anyway, I'll just go ahead and then I'll see. Label for equals to afternoon. Here I'll write afternoon. However, if there's any mistake on my end, I will definitely correct it and let you know. Input type equals in the description or in the comments. I'll let you know. Input type equals to radio. ID equals afternoon. Then name equals, this should be same, so time. Then value equals afternoon. Let's see if there's any difference. Afternoon has come, but these two have not come. I'll just cut this much and re-put it. Nope, still no. Why? I wonder why. Afternoon has come. This radio button has come. But after that, it has not come. Value equals to morning air has not come. No idea why. Anyway, label for equals to evening. And then here itself, I'll write evening. Then input type equals radio. ID equals evening. Name equals time. Value equals evening. See, afternoon and evening have come. Even this. Oh no, but I'm not able to choose anything. I first save it. The button is working, but display is not being shown. This choose preferred time also is not showing. Nope. I'll send horizontal and also see if it will make any difference. How come? How come? How come? The section also is still there. I have no idea what has happened. Something has happened in this part itself. I'll just put break here. This has worked. And I'll just redo this. I have no idea why it did not work till now. But break is still there still. This break is not working. Okay, one came so the other one went. Now this new issue has happened. I have no idea why that happened. Just give me a second. I'll just figure it out because this is something new which has not happened before. So I'm kind of concerned. I had typed so much. Okay. First I'll put one break again. Now I'll see. I have to type something for it to see. So H3 I'll write. Choose the preferred time. Oh, it's not working. That only why. Section is of appointment itself, and that section has not ended yet. Oh, this select. Okay, okay, got it. This select. Oh my god. This select has to come here. Now it will come. See. Now it will come. Oh my god. If it's in the clipboard, I'll just paste it if it's there. Hmm. I have to cut one of it. Now this what happened. Afternoon radio. Just give me a second. Okay, okay. Here some mistake has happened. Label input. Label input. Then label input. E- Now why is not this coming for this? Let me just check. Label for equals evening. Evening. Type radio ID. Evening. Name should be same. Value is different. Then why is there no radio button for this? In choose the preferred time. Label for equals morning. Type radio. ID equals morning. Name. Time. Value morning. Okay, correct. Label for input. Label for afternoon. Oh, I'm not able to figure out the mistake. Okay, got it. The smallest of the mistakes will make you worry. Like anything. Okay, it's working. My god. Just choose the preferred time. Twice it has come. Once I will just cut it. Hmm. Okay. Next check boxes. Label for equals service. This is also service type only. I'll tell you better. There also have used service. Then no, I will not use service here. I will use interests. Okay. Then I will write here. What are you interested in? Or I will write this in H3 heading because there also we need this thing for and all that. I'll tell you. Then here I'm going to mm, then here I'm going to say label for equals hair. Here I'll write hair. Then next here I'll write input type equals checkbox. ID equals hair. Name equals name should be same for all here also, just like that one in interested, right? Then value equals hair. I'll show you on how it's looking. Then you will understand, and then I'll move much faster. Okay. Why checkbox didn't come? I'll just check that. Input. See, small mistakes. I'm taking so long to figure out because I'm yeah. I should check. Okay. Again, I'll use a break statement here just to make it look more nice. Then quickly I'll write here input. No, again label I'll write label input for each. Label for equals skin, and then here I'll write skincare. Then I'll write input ID, sorry, type equals checkbox. ID equals skin. Name equals interest. Value equals skin. Okay, you can click on both here. That's the this thing. Now I'll just copy paste this and I'll just change the values of this. Here I'll write nails. Here I'll write nails. Here I'll write nails. Again I'll copy paste. Here I'll write makeup. Here also I'll write makeup. This should be interest. This should be interest. This should be interest. Makeup. This should be makeup. This should be nails. Okay, that's enough for these. Okay, so I can choose all. I can choose one. That's my wish. Now choosing appointment type. Okay, I'll write here. For this, I'll write here only. Label for equals type. I will write, and then here I will write, because this one I can write directly select, right? That's why. Choose your appointment type. Okay, then here I can just write select. This select one is easy only. Okay, select ID equals type name equals type. Then here I can write option value equals regular, and then here I am going to write regular appointment. Then next I'm going to take option value equals special. Then I'm going to write special occasion. Then I'm going to write again option value equals bridal. Then I'm going to write bridal consultation. Okay, finally I'm going to write here button for or type I think type equals submit. Here I'll write submit the right book my appointment. Book my appointment. Okay, before that one break I'll write, and I'll try to see if it is type or if it is for both. If it's working, then this is a very forgiving thing, but for both it's working. Just give me a second. It is type equals to. Anyway, if there's any other mistake, I will definitely let you know if there's any serious mistake. Okay, after that, now button is done. So now let's add one more thing, which is special packages. We made it so lengthy, it's nice. Special this one, this is just an extra. Okay, our main form is completed. Okay, don't worry, the form is completed. Some extra we're just trying to add sections is completed. New section ID equals to special, and then here I'm going to write H2 heading and say special packages, and then I'm going to write H3 heading and say glow package, and then a paragraph tag which is going to say facial plus manicure plus pedicure. Then next one more H3 heading which is going to say party ready makeup. Then I'm going to use, see, this is all done based on my knowledge. Okay, how I want it to be, because how headings will be highlighted, See, like this is all my idea. It does not necessarily mean you have to do it this way as well. Try error your wish. It is going to be end of the day. And inside this, I'm going to write hair, hair styling plus makeup plus nail art. Next, again, one more H3 heading. It is going to be bridal glow package. And then again, one more paragraph tag here where I'm going to write bridal makeup plus hairstyling plus skin preparation. Okay, you want to see how it looks? Okay, here also you can choose whatever you want. You can choose that also. I'm going to show you that. That's fine. Now this section finished. This main section also I think I will give it an okay one footer I will add. So section ID equals contact, and then here I will write H2 heading and say contact, and then I'm going to write H3 heading saying visit glow and grace. And then I'm going to write a paragraph tag. So I just write phone and email or location. I'll write no. Phone. So they have given a ChatGPT has given me a number, but that might exist in real. So I'll just use random number, and then um I'll just use the break tag, and then here only I can write location, and then I'll just write some main street something I'll write, and then another break tag I'll write, and then I'll write open hours. This is important, correct? 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. After this much is enough for this. This section I'll close. This main also I'll close. Then I'll open footer tag. Here I will just write grace, glow and grace, glow and grace, beauty studio 26. Random. Okay. So this is how the whole website is looking. I'm happy how it has come out. So thank you so much for watching. I know it's been quite lengthy. You can definitely watch in 2x speed. I think I run twice the video. I just open each one and show you here that it's working very well. Okay, spelling mistakes are there. Please excuse it. Okay. Special packages, it did not go. Have I made a mistake? But for contact, it did not go. I'll just add a break tag here. What happened here? I'll just check that because here I've made a mistake. Contact. Okay, now it will work. Yeah, this is working well. And special also, I'll just check. Okay, here I have done a mistake. Special packages. That part I have to check now. Yeah, it is correct. ID special SPACIAL, correct. Here also I have given that one. Why it did not work there? Okay, now it's confusing. The special, everything else is working. Just special is not working. Look, everything else is working. Just special package is not working. Okay. See, so it's right in front of my sense, and I took so long for me to figure it out. Now that's also working. So yeah, I fixed it. In case there's any need for anything else or something which I done wrong, I'll let you know. Thank you so much for watching. This is how I finally it's looking. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.